Good evening, my dear student. Today the same unit rational number. So exercise will be continued. Exercise 1B up to 4th sum. In before classes you will learn that. So the sum is multiplication of the rational number. So some properties will be you will seen in the before class. The one of the property is commutative property. So commutative property is always satisfied the multiplication of rational number, and then associative property also satisfy this multiplication of rational number. Now using another property, distributive property will be used in this class. So fifth sum, verify each of the following. So only you verify the sum. Third subdivision, 8 by 11 is multiplied with minus 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to 8 by 11 into minus 3 by 2 plus 8 by 11 into minus 1 by 3. So left hand side and right hand side will be given. So just you will find left hand side separately and right hand side separately. The two answers will be same, means hence verified the answer. First I consider the left hand side. 8 by 11 is multiplied with minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 5. So in board mass system, everywhere you will first preference given to the bracket. So inside of the bracket you will take on the two rational number addition. So addition is main condition. The denominators are same, then only you will add the numerator. So first you change the denominator, because one denominator is 2, the another denominator is 5. So change the denominator means easy method is cross multiplication method. So 5 is multiplied with this numerator and 2 is multiplied with this numerator. So 5 3s are 15. So minus is there. So minus into plus minus, and then 2 1s are 2. So plus into minus minus. So minus 2. The denominators are multiplied. 5 2s are 10. Now it will be changed to the LCM. Take an LCM. So 8 by 11, don't to disturb the number. 8 by 11 is multiplied with, inside of the bracket the two number having the minus symbol. So in addition both are same sign, means you will add the number and put the same sign. So 15 plus 2 is 17. So minus and minus means take only the minus. So minus 17 by 10. Now these rational numbers are multiplied. In multiplied means the multiplication symbol inside means the any numerator is cancelled the denominator in common number. Okay, 8 and 10 is common table of 2. So 2 table 8 4 times, 10 having 5 times. Now the remaining is multiplied. 4 into minus 17 by 11 into 5. 4 into minus 7 you get minus 68. 11 5s are 55. Now the answer is minus 68 by 55. So LHS is finished. So taken the right hand side. 8 by 11 is multiplied with minus 3 by 2 plus 8 by 11 is multiplied with minus 1 by 5. The board mass system, the next preference given for that multiplication, because board mass means mass is m, it will be taken. So m is multiplication. So first preference given for multiplication, then only you add the number. So two number having the multiplication. So first two number will be multiplied separately and second two number will be multiplied separately, and then you add the two number. Okay, 8 into minus 3 by 11 into 2. In 2 table you cancel the common number. 2 table 2 1 time, 8 4 time. In this number 8 into minus 1 by 11 into 5. No other common table is there. So no need to multiply, cancel anywhere. Okay, the remaining is 4 into minus 3 by 11 into 1. This one multiplies straightly. 8 into minus 1 you get minus 8. 11 5s are 55. 4 into minus 3 you get to minus 12. The denominator is 11 into 1 11. Minus 8 by 55. Now the two rational number having the plus sign in between of the two rational number. So you will add, means the both denominators are same, then only you add the number. The first number is 11. The second one is 55, but able to multiply the 11 into 5 means you make it to change the 11 is 55. So 5 is multiplied means both numerator and denominator commonly multiplied with 5. So minus 12 into 5 you get minus 60. The denominator is 55 will be changed, and then plus into minus minus 5 minus 8. The denominator is 55, both having the minus sign. So you will add 60 plus 8 68. So minus sign is there, minus 68 by 55. Already know the LHS answer and RHS answer. So both answer is same. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified the answer. So in fifth sum, the remaining sums are you take it as a homework. Homework also do in the classwork itself. So everyone please do the sum and take it the photo and send it back in evening. Task completed time. The next one, sixth sum, using the distributive property, find the value of each of the following. So the question is given, so using the property of distributive property, then you find the answer, means easily you find the answer. First of all, distributive property will write A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property. Using this property to find the value, first of all you take this question. So the both question having the two part, one is the first multiplication part and second multiplication part. The two part you have some common number minus 13 by 5, because in distributive property right hand side the both having the two set having the same A. So you take it as A is considered as minus 13 by 5 and the remaining is B you take 16 by 7 and C you consider 19 by 7. So you will take the A, B, C, then this one is the right and the question is considered as right hand side of the distributive property. So you will using the left hand side to find the answer. Okay, first A into B plus C you take. So A is nothing but minus 13 by 5 is multiplied with B is 16 by 7 plus 19 by 7, which is equal to minus 13 by 5 is multiplied with both having the denominator 7. So no need to change the denominator. So you will add the numerator 16 plus 19, you take 35 by 7. Now the multiplication for this two number, the common number is 5. So in 5 table 5 one time, 35 7 time. Okay, minus 13 into 7 by 1 into 7. So both having the 7 common, so cancel the 7 and 7 in numerator and denominator. The remaining is minus 13 by 1, the answer is minus 13. This is the sixth sum. So using the distributive property to find the answer. So one sum I will do, the remaining sum you take it as a homework, do the sum and send it back in evening. So everyone finish the sum, any doubt means ask children. So this is the seventh sum, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks is very simple. The commutative property, associative property, distributive property, every property will use it to find the answer. Minus 7 by 17 is multiplied with 25 by 35 is equal to 27 by 35 is that. So the remaining is minus 7 by 17. Same for this second sum, this is the associative property, the brackets will be changed. So which number is missing, so you write that. This one is also the associative property. Next one, this is the distributive property, because 3 into minus 7 by 27 plus 9 by 49. The first set is 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 27. So first set will be right. In between you have a plus, means the distributive property. The next one is what? 3 by 5 is multiplied with 9 by 49. So like this, these two are the two numbers will be the distributive property only. So using the distributive property to write that. The seventh sum, the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. And this whole power minus 1 means it's reciprocally you change the number, means the minus will be automatically plus. So 8 by 7 is reciprocally changed, means the minus 1 will be changed to plus 1. So the reciprocal of minus 1 is always minus 1. Minus 2 is the reciprocal of minus 1 by 2. So the next one, the product of a non-zero rational number and its reciprocal is 1 only. So the reciprocal of any positive rational number is always a positive rational number. Same for negative number. Dash is the only rational number whose reciprocal is not defined. 0, because 0 means 0 by 1. So reciprocally change means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined the value. The next one, identify the false statement only. The product of two rational number is not necessarily a rational number. So not necessarily means it's a false statement. Multiplication of rational number obeys the commutative property. Yes, it is true. So the third one also true, because it's obey the associative property also. 0 is the multiplicative identity for rational number. No, 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational number. So this is false statement. The product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. Yes, is it true? If a by b is a rational number, then b by a is equal to a by b whole inverse. Yes, is true only, because the inverse means b by a. It's reciprocally changed, automatically the power will be plus. The reciprocal of 5 by minus 6 is minus 5 by 6. No, it is false statement, because reciprocal means it's interchanging the numerator and denominator, not a minus. Next one, 0 has no reciprocal. Yes, 0 has no reciprocal. So this is today class, children. Everyone copy down these two sums in your book, or it's you copy down in your note. So this is today class. Learn children everything. So thank you children to watching the video.